to patient's bare chest.
Okay.
Plug in pads connector next to flashing light. Apply pads. Plug in connector.
Very nice. Okay.
Now this.
Okay.
Apply pads. Insert connector firmly. Analyzing heart rhythm. Do not touch the patient.
Do not touch the patient, Daddy.
Okay, mine. Okay.
Shock advised.
Shock
Charlie.
advised.
Stay clear of patient.
Stay clear of patients, Daddy.
Deliver
Okay.
shock now. Press the orange button now.
Good job.
Shock delivered. Paused.
Pause.
Start CPR.
CPR.